I am calling to plus. Verb. I am calling to say hello. I am calling to share a joke. I am calling to offer my help. I am calling to ask a question. I am calling to share a recipe. I am calling to share a recipe. I am calling to ask for a loan. I am calling to request a favor. I am calling to share some news. I am calling to order some food. I am calling to congratulate you. I am calling to share my opinion. I am calling to report a problem. I am calling to offer my support. I am calling to make a complaint. I am calling to request a refund. I am calling to request a catalog. I am calling to arrange a meeting. I am calling to discuss a problem. I am calling to ask for directions. I am calling to report a lost item. I am calling to request a brochure. I am calling to express my concern. I am calling to arrange a playdate. I am calling to make a reservation. I am calling to give you an update. I am calling to share my excitement. I am calling to share a funny story. I am calling to request a quotation. I am calling to discuss our project. I am calling to discuss our project. I am calling to confirm our meeting. I am calling to offer my assistance. I am calling to share gardening tips. I am calling to ask for tech support. I am calling to share fitness advice. I am calling to ask for your opinion. I am calling to share some good news. I am calling to share some good news. I am calling to express my gratitude. I am calling to offer my condolences. I am calling to discuss a car rental. I am calling to invite you to a party. I am calling to arrange a pickup time. I am calling to share my travel plans. I am calling to share my travel plans. I am calling to order a birthday cake. I am calling to suggest a meeting time. I am calling to discuss my pet adoption. I am calling to report a website issue. I am calling to confirm a hotel booking. I am calling to schedule an appointment. I am calling to discuss a payment issue. I am calling to discuss a vacation plan. I am calling to inquire about your menu. I am calling to invite you to a wedding. I am calling to request a password reset. I am calling to request a meeting agenda. I am calling to ask for a recommendation. I am calling to discuss a school project. I am calling to request more information. I am calling to offer my congratulations. I am calling to ask for a loan extension. I am calling to report a noise complaint. I am calling to apologize for my mistake. I am calling to check on your well-being. I am calling to express my disappointment. I am calling to discuss a software update. I am calling to discuss a job opportunity. I am calling to discuss a new opportunity. I am calling to discuss a new opportunity. I am calling to check on your availability. I am calling to discuss a class assignment. I am calling to inquire about your pricing. I am calling to check the weather forecast. I am calling to discuss a charity donation. I am calling to inquire about your services. I am calling to confirm a train reservation. I am calling to confirm a train reservation. I am calling to share a book recommendation. I am calling to discuss a school-related issue. I am calling to confirm a hotel reservation. I am calling to discuss a business proposal. I am calling to confirm a dental appointment. I am calling to share an interesting article. I am calling to share an interesting article. I am calling to report a suspicious activity. I am calling to share travel recommendations. I am calling to request a warranty extension. I am calling to arrange a childcare schedule. I am calling to confirm a flight reservation. I am calling to share a movie recommendation. I am calling to check the status of my order. I am calling to remind you of our appointment. I am calling to request a return authorization. I am calling to check if you received my email. I am calling to schedule a doctor's appointment. I am calling to inquire about your availability. I am calling to request a quote for home repairs. I am calling to inquire about your event services. I am calling to offer my condolences for your loss. I am calling to check the availability of a product. I am calling to request a subscription cancellation. I am calling to confirm a concert ticket reservation. I am calling to confirm a concert ticket reservation. I am calling to inquire about your clothing collection. I am calling to check the availability of a rental property. I am calling to inquire about your availability for a party.